I'm Kimberly.
And I'm Akila.
We're representing the Philippine Journalism Club.
Today is October 4 and it's such an exciting day for all of us.
Because we're right here at the Akila School in Dubai.
Celebrating the United Nations with lots of activities, performances, and people coming together.
What are you waiting for? Let's dive right in.
Which house do you think will sweep the awards ceremony this year and why?
It's hopefully Windsor, of course, because that's my theme, and I've been here in Windsor for like around 3 years, and I can see that all the students are working really hard. The teachers are so, what do you call this? They're so helpful and participant, and I hope our Windsor.
How do you think events such as the UN Funday help students learn about other cultures?
Okay, so I think events like this brings awareness about the cultures of other countries. So in this kind of event, we were able to see different cultures from different countries. And in this way, I think every student becoming aware of other cultures or the cultures of other countries. So I think events like this is really important to bring awareness to other students.
Been the most memorable part of this event for you so far?
I think the most memorable part is the Mr. and Miss UN. I love that part, showcasing the culture and the costume.
What message do you hope students take home after participating in this year's UN Fun Day?
Well, for me, I would want to impart to the students who joined us today in our United Nations to continue at least celebrating diversity, and also respecting others' culture. Because we all know that we all have individual cultures, and also again celebrate and respect each other.
I cannot say anything. I am very amazed, and I really had time seeing my students and all of the students as well from kinder up to grade 12 participating, showcasing their talents, participating in all of the games, quiz bees. So they all did an amazing job, and I cannot wait to see them grow more and have fun while learning here in Philbit.
If you could describe today's energy in 3 words, why would they be and why?
Oh, that's a very difficult question. Let me just think about what would be that 3 words. I think it would be the enthusiasm, the creativity, and spirit of participation. I think that the students have actually exerted enough effort for this. A lot of preparations have been made, and now they're able to perform and provide their exemplary performance.